ICCT stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is iCoreConnect stock a buy? I'll be breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now let's be honest, iCoreConnect's on the freaking OTC, not on NASDAQ, and is that something that I'll be trading? To be 100% honest with you, no. Now, is there some speculation about a potential short squeeze about this? Fuck yes. All I'm gonna do though is just still stick to my strategy that I've done over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience. And this gambling freaking short squeeze plays, that's not what I'm playing. Genuinely for me, this is something that I would stay away from 10 feet, right? It's a bearish market. Unless it starts breaking above 20 cents or something, that I'm not looking to touch this whatsoever, and the likelihood it keeps going down is high. I'm just telling you how I'm looking at it, right? I think that the plane is crashing, already crashed, but yeah, that's how iCoreConnect looking like for me. It's not financial advice. If you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description. See you in the next